Hey everybody, it's Becca J. I am super excited about today's product. It's one of those things like I saved my money forever and forever, and when I went to Ulta, they were out, and it was limited edition, so they weren't going to get any more. I even asked them, please, please, please check in the bag. No, they were out. So what I did was I just used that money, got me a gift card, and went home and did Ulta shopping from the house, which is fine, and I always like to use a little gift card because it makes me feel special, so much more than just the regular old debit card, but that's okay. So today's item, I'm so excited. Like, I keep adjusting all my stuff. I'm like, I'm excited. Yes, Too Faced. I want candy. Welcome to the candy shop. Who else thinks of this and thinks of the song I want candy, you know, like back in, what was that, the 90s? But anyway, it's a candy scented eyeshadow palette, limited edition. Ooh, and look, and there's all the beautiful shades that are in there. So let's open it. Okay, first things first, there is a recipe book, and it says on the back, you can never have too much candy. So this is like a lot of the Too Faced things. They show you, here's her look and how to do it. But I'm not sure we're going to be following this today. There's some product I want to see first. Okay. It's cute. See how it's bowed out? It looks like a little old-fashioned chocolate candy tin. And then on the back, like a candy tin, it has, looks like the chocolates. It's got what they are and what the scent is. Not the scent, the eyeshadow is. Oh, it's got like one of those old-fashioned sticker things. Just gonna break that open. Okay, there's no mirror, but that's okay, and it looks like a candy tin. I keep saying that, a candy tin. It does have this piece of paper in there that doesn't want to come out, and it smells delicious. This would have been so awesome if it had been like one of those edible pieces of paper. Like, you know, what goes on a cake. I'm making no sense today because I'm just beyond excited. Here's the inside. Yes. Look at the sparkle. Oh, and you guys, it smells amazing. It smells a little bit like chocolate and candy. It's not like that sugary, bittersweet. It smells almost like one of those banana moon pie things. All right, so let's get into it and start doing swatches. Here is Sparkling Cider, which is a champagne nude. Ooh. Pastry, which is a matte cappuccino. Sugared Strawberry, which is a shimmering coral pink. Oh, yes. Cream Puff, which is a matte sand. It's very light. Let's take another dip. Sugar Plum, a silvered lavender. And Raspberry Cocoa, which is a matte berry brown. Butterscotched, a matte apricot. Sweet Toffee, a gilded copper. Oh my gosh. Frosted Pink, a gilded soft pink. Oh. Look at that copper. There's Hot Chocolate, which is a matte rich brown. Taupe Berry, a matte smoky brown. Licorice Rope, which is a matte pitch black. This one even feels different in the pan. It's very gritty almost. Okay, and then the 3 pans in the bottom, the larger pans, Banana Cream Pie, which is a matte cream. Ice Cream, a matte pinky cream. And Whipped Cream, a pearly white. I'm in love with this copper. They're all really good. This one's real pale. This Ice Cream, it's real pale. And then the black is kind of chalky. It feels dry in the pan even. Those are some amazing swatches. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love with that copper. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes and set that, and we're going to play. Okay, and just to be safe, I also put some extra powder under my eyes because I don't know what's going to happen. You guys, I'm so excited. Like, I don't know where to start. I think I'm going to start with this butterscotch color. It's weird that there's no mirror. Okay, and on the inner and the outer corner, I'm going to try this hot chocolate here. In the center of the eyelids, I'm going to take the Sugar Plum. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with that dark chocolate on the inner and outer and just blend it in more. I'm going to take the Licorice Rope and use it as eyeliner. Okay, I'm going to take this sparkling cider and put it here up in the eyebrow. Okay, now I'm taking this whipped cream and I will be putting it in the inner, very inner of my eyelids. I think it's beautiful. Now let me put everything else together and we'll come for a final look. Okay, so I kind of did some stuff, extra stuff, I don't know, we'll see. I do want to try this copper out though, you guys. I think I'm going to actually try it on my lip. It is the Sweet Toffee. Love it. Ooh, you guys, as a lip color, and it just really, I think it finishes everything off so perfect. So that was the palette. There's the eyes and some lips. I did that beautiful copper color on the lip. Man, this is a great palette. This was everything I had wanted it to be and more. I had to up that lip a little bit, you guys. And it smells so good. I hope my face smells just like this. This was worth all my struggles to get. I swear I almost cried in the store when they're like, oh, we're out. We just sold our last one. I was like, oh. You know, if I had just been there like 10 minutes earlier. But it's okay. It still worked out. I got it. I just had to wait for shipping and handling. And it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. And as a lip, now it's probably a little too much. But is it really too much when it comes to glitter and sparkle and shine? I don't know. I don't know. Not today. Okay, so if you have it, you want it, you love it, you hate it, let me know. Let me know your story about how you were able to snag the palette, if it was easy for you or you had to really, you know, fight for that last one. I didn't have to fight. Luckily, it was available online. I think it's still available, so I will leave the link down below if it's still available, so you can get you one too. And let me know what you think about it. Okay, bye.
Good job, Mom.
Don't forget, click, like, subscribe.